To tease your hair, start with clean, dry tresses. Brush your hair with a paddle brush or a wide-tooth comb to remove any tangles. Then use the end of a rat tail comb to create a 1/2 inch, 1.3 centimeter section of hair at the crown of your head. Pull the section straight up and away from your head and hold it taut. Next, grab a rat tail comb or a small boar bristle brush and start combing the section backwards, moving from the mid-shaft down to the roots of your hair. Be gentle. Back combing too roughly can damage your hair. When you're done, pull the tease section forward, toward the front of your head, and pin it in place with a hair clip to keep it out of the way. Create a new section just behind the first one and repeat the process. Keep doing this until all the sections of your hair are teased and pinned down. Then unclip all your hair and gently smooth the top surface with a comb. Be careful to comb very lightly so that you smooth your hair without getting rid of any of the extra volume you just created. To lock in your boosted volume, spray your teased hair with a flexible hold hairspray. Now you can feel free to style your hair however you like. For instance, lift the teased hair with a pick to give it even more height, or tie it back into a fluffy ponytail. Or tease just the crown, then pull back the hair at the sides of your face and pin it behind your head for a voluminous half-up, half-down look.